Guys, we're making headway, man. The engine's not frozen up, it turns over. I actually started it, but I have a starter one-way clutch problem. Actually, the same problem I had in another one I have in this one. This is nothing. It came out of right there. Those are the roller bearings. We're cool with that. But what I'm not cool with is, as you can see, there's oil in this side. And this is actually the dry side. There's not supposed to be oil. So that means my rubber seal here is leaking. So we're going to buy a rubber seal. And I'll show you guys how you put these one-way clutches back on. They cannot be oiled. They have to actually be cleaned. Where did I set my one-way clutch at? There it is down there. These have to be cleaned with denatured alcohol. See all the oil in there? This will actually make, believe it or not, it'll sound like a chain clunking sound because that's just what it's doing. The chain that goes on to your starter clunks around. Because what happens is if there's oil on there, it acts like a glue. It won't move. It'll stay in one spot. So when we put that back on, we're going to clean that with denatured alcohol as well as everything else. But it is worth. I paid $200 for this motorcycle. Doesn't have a title on it. That's why we got another frame coming, and we're going to basically put everything here onto the other frame, but it's going to be modified. We're going to modify the frame. This is going to all come off. We're going to do all this over. This was actually rusted closed. I broke the choke. I had to spray WD-40 in there in order to get that thing loose. So I'm going to need another choke cable, and they are hard to find. The clutch cable and the accelerator cables are easy to find. That's hard to find. I might have to repair that. And good luck repairing it, because as you can see, the plastic is actually down inside the carburetor. I'm going to have a fun time getting the damn plastic out. I'm going to probably have to heat the carburetor up with a torch once I get it off in order to take that off. That's probably what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to heat it up with a torch and then screw it out with a screwdriver in order to get that plastic fitting out. But yeah, right now we're going to order a seal for the left side, for the stator side of the engine. And I'm going to see if I can find a choke cable.